We are going to start by making the background of our image today, and we're going to get watercolor paper. Now, watercolor paper has two sides. It has a very smooth side and one that has some little bumps on it. That's called the tooth of the paper. We're going to put the bumpy side up and set it in front of us vertically, so that means up and down. Now, we are going to create a horizon line. So with one of your liquid watercolors, you're going to draw a line all the way across your paper. And then you're going to paint the top portion of your paper. When you're done with the upper part of your picture, you're going to rinse it out. You can use the sink for this. I'm just going to use this water right here. And we'll grab our second color and paint the lower portion. Now we are done with the watercolor background, and we're going to use a different kind of watercolor. These are watercolor crayons. Now, watercolor crayons are much softer than regular crayons. I will choose one color. I think I'm going to choose that pink. And if I'm going to use pink, am I going to place it on top of my pink down here? No, because I want to be able to see it.
So this is how you use the watercolor crayons. You actually just submerge it right into the water. So you place it in the water and you draw. And you continue to go back and forth into the water and to your paper. Notice I'm doing the same shape or line over and over and over. That's called repetition. Also, I want to point out that I'm not being too aggressive with my watercolor crayon. Remember, they're nice and soft, so I have to be somewhat gentle when I'm using it.
Now that I'm done with that one, I'll maybe take some paper towel and just kind of dab it off and choose a second color for the lower portion. Again, I'm going to take a simple line or shape and repeat it over and over and over. Before we can move on, we need to let this dry, and then I'll talk more about how we're going to add our collage later.